Tired of worrying about your card details being stolen every time you shop online? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use a Revolut virtual card for safer online and in-app purchases, giving you peace of mind with every transaction. First, open your Revolut app and navigate to the card section. You'll likely find it on the bottom bar. Then find your virtual card if you don't already have a virtual card. You can easily create one by tapping the plus button and selecting Virtual Card to view your virtual card details. Tap on Show Details. Here, you'll find your virtual card number, expiry date, and CVV, the information you need to make online payments. Remember, never share these details with anyone you don't trust. Now head to your favorite online store or app and proceed to the checkout page. When prompted for your payment details, simply enter the card number, expiry date, and CVV from your Revolut virtual card. After submitting the payment, you'll receive a notification from Revolut confirming the transaction. This is a great way to keep track of your spending and identify any unauthorized activity. And here's the best part: Revolut virtual cards offer enhanced security. If you suspect fraud or your card details have been compromised, you can instantly freeze or even block the virtual card within the app. For even greater security, consider using single-use virtual cards for on-and-off purchases. Once the transaction is complete, the card automatically expires. That's it. Using Revolut virtual cards is a simple yet effective way to protect yourself from online fraud and shop with confidence. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips on online security.